Hello and welcome to Chao. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a good quality espresso without using an expensive espresso machine. You can use a mocha pot. In a previous video I've shown you how to use this one, but probably because it's one of my earlier videos I wasn't able to give you a very clear step-by-step procedure. So today that's exactly what I'm going to do. We have the three parts, which this is the boiler. So this is where you put your water, and this is where you put your coffee, which is the filter, and then you have this, which is the pot. So once the coffee is finished, it will come through the valve in the middle and give you your espresso. So you need the stove, but if you don't have it in your coffee shop or milk tea shop, then you can use a portable hot plate. So I have here a portable hot plate, just perfect for making your espresso coffee using the mocha pot. I would also recommend that you have this, which is a milk frother. So this is also what you need to make your steamed milk. And then I would recommend, on top of the milk frother, I would recommend that you have a steaming jug. Now the reason why you need this is because you need this to pour the milk into your coffee, especially if you want some art with it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of equipment that you need to make your espresso without an expensive coffee machine. First, let's boil water. Now, I'm going to use our own coffee. You can use any ground coffee that you can find in the market. So how good your coffee is, it depends on how good your coffee beans are. So for this time, we are going to use ground coffee. So let me put ground coffee into our filter. You just need to fill this up to the top and level it, just like that. When you fill the boiler, just fill up to the level below the valve. This mocha pot is good for 6 cups. For hot coffee, you normally use only 1 shot or 1 ounce. So that means this can make up to 6 cups of hot coffee. Place the coffee filter right on top and then lock the pot in. Use a kitchen towel to hold the boiler since it would be hot because we put hot water in. Make sure it is properly locked. So why do you need to use hot water when you're going to boil the water anyway? The reason for that is because you don't want to wait too long for the water to boil and the coffee to be filtered out of the filter. The coffee might turn out to be bitter, so it's better to use hot water in your boiler. So this process will take about maximum 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to steam the milk. Okay, so our milk is starting to get warm. I'm going to bring the mocha pot here, and then how do you know it's warm? You can see smoke coming out of it. Let's just take it out of the heat and let's put it here. Okay, so for this, I'm going to make a milk foam. So be careful, this is hot. So you pump it. The milk should at least double in size. And then let's pour the milk into a steaming jug. The reason why is because this has a spout, which makes it easier to pour the milk into a cup, unlike the milk frother, which has no spout. Pouring from the steaming jug is handy, especially if you would like to add some latte art. For a hot mocha, we will need 1 shot of our espresso from the mocha pot. That is 1 ounce or 30 ml of espresso. And because this is mocha, it's coffee and chocolate. I will add half an ounce of chocolate sauce. You can also use 1 to 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder instead if you do not have chocolate sauce. And then we will pour our milk into the cup. Scoop the milk foam into the cup and top with chocolate sauce. And there is our hot mocha. For ice mocha, what you need, because this is ice, what you need is 2 ounces of espresso. So let's put 2 ounces of espresso. For cold, you need more coffee. Then, just like our hot mocha, we will put 1 ounce of chocolate sauce. And then I like to use condensed milk for that thick and full body texture. 1 ounce of condensed milk. You may adjust according to your preference on the level of sweetness. Then we add 1 ounce of fresh milk. Don't worry if you put lots of ice, the blend is quite strong. Give it a good stir. It is looking thick and creamy, which is perfect. I'm going to add the coffee jelly which we made in a previous video using freshly brewed coffee. There is no need to pre-cut them. You may just scoop chunks into your cup. And then, because we still have some milk foam left from the hot mocha, let's use them to top our iced mocha. And decorate with chocolate sauce. Simply irresistible. Perfect. The coffee is strong. The aftertaste gives you that strong brewed coffee. Very, very good. So, is it any different from using an espresso machine? Well, it's just different. But it's good quality, good enough for you to serve with a minimum investment in your coffee or milk tea shops. If you have any question, let me know. In the meantime, thank you for watching and ciao for now.